everyone. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And the one I've got for you today came out of an Umai Crate box. You can go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is from Takamori Kosan, and this is their Napolitan tomato spaghetti stuff. So we'll give it a try. And we're going to use this. So you put in a little bit of oil and whatever else you want to add in. That is chashu. We'll get that a little sizzly. It mentions the oil. I mean, if you're using chashu, you really don't need so much oil. It makes its own gravy, ladies and gentlemen. It's very fatty stuff. And then here's the noodle. It goes in. Now, you know, I'm going to add some spring onion in there as well. Just kind of a kook. So, cooking it up. I like to cook. So, I had this guy earlier just be like, please take this as constructive criticism, blah, blah, blah. So, it's like one of those people who preface things really nice and then end up being like the rudest people ever. And the guy was going off about how bulldog is prepared, and that Korean spoons aren't the same as American spoons. They're more like teaspoons rather than tablespoons, and just had like a big fit, insulted me and everything. And I'm like, wow, dude. I'm just going by what the people at Samyang Foods told me multiple times. But that isn't enough for people. I don't know. So, I don't know. I don't know why people got to be so, haters gotta hate. Isn't that what they say? But it's just like, gosh, don't you have anything better than to do? I guess that person doesn't feel very happy about themselves. Wants to make other people unhappy. But honestly, I don't know, it is irritating when you get people like that. You want to go and debate them into the dirt, but I just like, hide users from channel, remove comments. It's like, okay. Easy peasy. Yeah, this doesn't really need to go for all that long. Literally, it is basically like what you're doing is you're taking a noodle, a fresh noodle, heating it, because it's already technically cooked. God, I don't really have this on that high. It's getting angry at me. I need to get a new pan. I really enjoy this pan, but it's not like the bottom is scratched, but it just won't get clean, which I don't appreciate that. I like to use clean utensilification. Alright, now we need our sauce, which is that. And Japanese approximations of Italian spaghetti sauces like marinara and tomato sauce, they end up being real sweet. Yeah, it does smell like ketchup. That's what the Umai Crate booklet mentioned, that it was ketchup spaghetti, and that's kind of weird. Isn't that what he complains about on, what's that movie? Goodfellas at the end. I tried to get some spaghetti with marinara, and I got cheap noodles and tomato sauce. I think this will be pretty good. I really like Takamori croissant stuff. It definitely does have that real sweet kind of tomato scent to it. Let it chill for a minute there. Well, not really chill, but you know what I mean. So today, three different meats. So I had to use this chashu for this one. The next review, we'll use some beef, and the third review we'll use chicken. That chicken came out good. That's what I'm gnawing on right now. Yeah, I think this is finito. We'll give it a try. Here's what you got. Me. All right. A saucy Japanese take on spaghetti. Cheers. Woo. It's sweet, but it's good. I think after I plate this, I'm just going to let it chillax, because I think my daughter would probably enjoy that for lunch. It's July 9th, 2022 right now. No, it's not. It's August 9th. And getting close to the little critters going back to school. It's kind of greasy, I don't know. Alright. Let's clean this up a little bit. You know, when you cook stuff into stuff, sometimes it's hard to get it to show up. So come to the party. And the only really garnish I got is some more spring onion, but that works. Oh, Rotato didn't get plugged back in. However, don't worry, I'm adept at plugging things in. There we go. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this one that I found over at S-Mart. That's S-Mart, Shop Smart, Shop S-Mart, over in Bellevue, Washington. Little Korean grocery, but they had this there too. This is Ace Cook Saigon Pho Beef flavor. So we'll check that out on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been your host, Hans Leonard, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye. That button.